Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, Shiba Inu price set to crash by 70% as critical support weakens. Shiba Inu price sees bears drilling down on an important area of support. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth. Shiba SHIB price could see a nosedive reaction later today should the US session see accelerated sell-offs. A break below the 200-day SMA could hold 70% of losses before plenty of support is found. Shiba Inu price continues to be controlled by bears after the dead cat bounce in stock markets yesterday evening. With the Nasdaq closing sharply lower, giving up earlier gains, cryptocurrencies are being dragged into a sell-off on its coattails, and bearish headwinds persist. Expect a further continuation of downside tests, with 2,576 up next, and a break below that opening up the possibility of SHIB price being decimated towards 655, a 70% devaluation. Shiba Inu hanging by a thread before price action could collapse. Shiba Inu price is in a vortex along with other financial market assets, after the US session saw a 180-degree U-turn to the downside. The Asia-Pac and European sessions are also sharply lower and with risk assets being slashed across the board. This is being reflected in cryptocurrencies where a sell-off is also taking place. At the moment, SHIB price is drilling down to 2,482, a level where the 200-day simple moving average and the monthly S1 support level intersect. This should offer plenty of support, but with current market sentiment so negative, it is not a given that investors will want to step in and support the trade. A break lower would see price next pause at 1623, the S2 monthly support. The level of the S2 does not hold any historical relevance, however, making it relatively weak, and the only key level further down looks to be 607, just above the S3 monthly support, and the starting point of a Fibonacci retracement. Depending on how the US session will unfold, expect this to be on the cards in the days to come if markets enter into correction territory or even into a recession. The result would be SHIB shedding 70% of its market value from where it is currently trading. Often enough, markets see an uptick after a gloomy negative day like yesterday. Investors start to come in and pick up interesting assets at a discount, and markets finally get to a point where a revaluation trade is made. This could be the same for Shiba Inu, with the 200-day SMA holding its ground, supporting price action, and a bullish candle starting to form with a test at the 55-day SMA around 3,395. $100 invested in Shiba Inu would be worth this much today. Among the many cryptocurrencies that have taken the market by storm this past year, meme tokens such as Shiba Inu really have shaped how many retail investors think about cryptocurrencies. Indeed, the growth this token has seen in such a short amount of time has been something to behold. On the downtrend of late, Shiba Inu bulls may wonder what's in store for this token. Let's take a look at what a $100 investment in this token a year ago would translate to for investors. Shiba Inu posted a growth rate that's unbelievable to many. As with many meme tokens, Shiba Inu got its start as a community-oriented token. With little value outside of edge cases, Shiba Inu's valuation has soared alongside investor sentiment. Just how high has this token soared? Well, over the past year, Shiba Inu is up more than 21 million%. This would make a $100 investment in SHIB a year ago worth $21 million. Now, what's perhaps even more incredible is that this token has lost approximately 3/4 of its value since its peak in late 2021. Accordingly, most of these gains took place in the matter of a few months, allowing many investors to hit the lottery in a very short window of time. Is there anything special about this token? Okay, so this meme token has officially mooned. The question is, what's behind that move? Well, it's not so clear what's driven this token other than simply intense retail buying pressure. Like any asset, supply and demand from investors dictates price. If enough participants in the market take the view that something has unstoppable momentum, we can see what happened with Shiba Inu and even other meme stocks. There's nothing particularly special about Shiba Inu relative to its meme peers or other tokens. This project is built on the Ethereum blockchain, like so many others. It's got a dedicated trading site called Shiba Swap and other projects that are reportedly under development. But for the time being, it's generally perceived to be a momentum gauge for the market. Unsurprisingly, sentiment is down right now, as investors reassess how much risk they're willing to take on right now. Bottom line, so, where does Shiba Inu go from here? That's a good question. I think the answer really depends on how manic or depressed sentiment is in the market. As we've seen to start 2022, most investors appear to be taking a risk-off approach to assets. For tokens like Shiba Inu, that's not a good thing. The SHIB token price trading above the 200 MA line maintains its bullish trend. However, on the flip side, the 20 mega amperes is providing strong dynamic resistance to coin price. The daily stochastic RSI shows a bearish crossover among the K and D lines, supporting the ongoing selling in the market. The SHIB price rejected from the 0.3 resistance is steadily approaching the current lower support of 0.25. If the price could breach this bottom support as well, the correction rally will extend and drop to even lower levels. On a contrary note, falling wedge patterns are also known for providing an excellent long trade opportunity if the price breaks out from the overhead resistance trendline. The average directional movement index, 27, slope has started rising again with respect to the falling, indicating the increasing selling momentum. The technical chart indicated the overhead resistance for SHIB as 0.3, followed by 0.38. On the flip side, the support levels are 25 cents, and the 200-day MA. The team behind the meme coin Shiba Inu said that CoinMarketCap has approached its developers to resolve the issue of the 3 fake addresses on the popular data aggregator page. Shiba Inu team clarifies the situation with CoinMarketCap. Shiba's team said the tracking platform took decisions on behalf of the coin in a centralized manner without taking its side into confidence by presenting those addresses on the SHIB token page. According to the people behind the meme coin, the incident highlights critical problems surrounding the poor level of transparency and willingness to work with Shiba Inu. The release spelled out the processes that should have preceded the decision to put up SHIB smart contract address. This covers the following range of processes: verifying, repairing, and assessing risk-oriented decisions that affect the token's page within their tracking platform, to orient changes without notice of verification processes. Earlier, Shiba Inu cautioned its investors to stay away from the controversial SHIB smart contract addresses. Now, it disputed CoinMarketCap's arguments that these were cross-chain links facilitating investments from other networks, Terra, Binance Smart, Solana, and Polygon. Lack of support and communication. Shiba Inu previously said it faced a lack of prompt and full support from the trading platform on several occasions. We have tried to reach out multiple times, respectfully, orienting our attention and professional approach in the mannerism of reachability that CoinMarketCap conveyed as the correct method of communication, via their ticketed support system. Yet each time, the response was limited or non-existent. Shiba Inu elaborated on its grievances against CoinMarketCap. In a series of tense communication, Shiba Inu's team complained that CoinMarketCap has refused to communicate with the SHIB team on updates to the token page and willingly allowed malicious actors to vandalize our listing. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.